Hi guys, welcome back. So we're overdue a tutorial, but I'm back to show you guys something super easy, super achievable. Basically a 5-minute makeup anyone can do. So first I'm going to prep my skin with the Sublimage Lotion Supreme. You can use any toner you want. I'm just using it to balance out my skin and just remove any debris. We're going to be going in with the new Huge Beauty Camellia Water Cream, and I'm going to mix that with the jasmine oil. You could use the LeBlanc oil if you want, or any oil that you have. What that's going to do is it's just going to help prep your skin. Moisturized skin is the best skin prep that you can give. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 palette essentials because my skin is right in the middle, so I'm using the light and the medium. I'm going to use the Slanted Foundation Retractable Brush, and I'm going to mix the 2 concealer colors, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. It's a gel texture, so it just glides right on, especially since we prepped our skin with the water cream and the oil. It just helps glide right on. It gives you a very natural skin appearance. You guys can see it just kind of helps perfect the complexion without making it look too cakey, and our glow is still maintained. And the good thing about this is that it's super buildable. Next, I'm going to go in with that pointier end of the brush and dip it into the blush coloring, and I'm just going to apply it very generously on my cheeks. The good thing about this is that it's super buildable, but it's also very blendable. So if you feel like you went a little too heavy-handed, you could just go in with the flat side of your brush again that you used to apply the concealer and just cover it up, and you could just keep building, unbuilding, or rebuilding as much as you want. Next, I'm going to go in with the Balm Essential in Sculpting and just give my skin some nice glow, some additional glow, some highlight in the high points of my cheeks. Apply a little bit on my forehead, my nose, my chin, basically wherever you want to glow. Next, I'm going to set everything with just a little bit of the Le Beige setting powder. I'm not caking it on, I'm just putting a little bit on so that it doesn't move, and as you can see, it doesn't compromise the glow. Next, we're going to move on to eyebrows. I'm using the Chanel Brow Brush, and I'm going in with the Waterproof Brow Pencil in the shade 808. Then I'm going to go in with the Stilo U Waterproof Eyeliner in number 20 Espresso, and I'm just going to tightline my eyes. I'm not really drawing a heavy line, I'm just trying to basically give the appearance of very thick lash because I don't have thick lashes, and I'm just dotting it around my eyes, and then I'm going in with a brush, a smudge brush, and I'm just going to smudge it just to give it kind of like a hazy appearance. That way we don't have to be too precise with our application. And then whatever is remaining on my brush, I'm just going to line my bottom waterline just a little bit to give myself some balance. And then this part's optional, but I'm going in with these 2 shades here, a white pearly and then a gold, just to tap in the center of my eyelid to give myself a little more dimension and just to give myself kind of like a pop of color, like a pop of shine. And then I'm finishing off with some mascara. I'm using the Giorgio Armani one because it's my favorite. You could use any mascara you want. Le Volume is great. And then I'm just going to finish off my lips with, I believe it's Boy. And your look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.